Panic is contagious, but in every crisis, there are winners. There are people who use it to their advantage and seize the opportunity. During the 2008 recession, Uber, WhatsApp, and Instagram all formed. There's no doubt some difficult times are ahead, but here's a simple 6-step system that will ensure you come out of it the other side stronger than ever. Number 1, have a mini breakdown about all that lost revenue. It's good to get that out the way first. Then let's stop making excuses and start making money, because number 2 is implement more automated systems. Becoming as lean and efficient as possible is going to be crucial, and leveraging technology to create automated systems is perhaps the best way of doing that. For example, since you might not be able to hire a bigger team right now, instead invest in an automated lead generation tool that can be bringing you potential new clients 24/7. You can also utilize services like Zapier that allow you to connect many of the tools in your business together, like automatically adding all your leads from Facebook to a spreadsheet or your email list. The possibilities are endless, but the bottom line is this: you need to be working on the big, revenue-driving tasks in the business and automating the rest wherever possible. Number 3, focus on products that create or save customers money. People always like the idea of making more money or saving money, but now more than ever is the time to double down on your offerings that you can position as creating or preserving wealth for people, as they'll view those as the best investments to make right now. Number 4, double down on digital. More people than ever are online right now, so it would obviously be wise to make your business and its offerings as digital as possible. You ideally want to ensure you have products that can be purchased 24/7 online whilst many people are still in lockdown. And so, if you don't yet have products like this, think about how you can create something or turn one of your existing services into a resellable product. For example, if you're a consultant, could you put together an online course for your topic, as then you can price it lower so it's more affordable and reaches more potential customers, but you can also sell it round the clock and bring in passive income requiring no further work. Number 5, post more on social media. Content marketing on social media is almost always a good idea to build up your brand's awareness and loyalty. But there's perhaps no better time to be really focusing your efforts on connecting with your audience who are spending more time than ever on social platforms right now. And I don't mean pitch them. I mean make them laugh and smile in this difficult time. They'll remember the little things like that when it comes to deciding who to give their business to. Number 6, guerrilla marketing. Now is definitely not the time to slow down your marketing, but it is time to adapt your marketing and utilize unconventional techniques that can get a lot of attention on a small budget. One of my favorite guerrilla marketing stories was a small bookshop with big competitors either side, who both put up banners saying 50% off. So, the small shop in the middle puts up a banner as well, saying, main entrance. My point is, whatever you do, don't start thinking it's a lost cause and you should be reducing your marketing. You should simply be getting more creative than ever with it. There are still plenty of customers out there to those willing to go and find them. So, whilst your competitors stall, this could be your time to shine. And instead of looking back on this period as a disaster for your business, you can instead look back and see this was the springboard that took your business to the next level. Any other tips you want to add to this list, share in the comments below so we can all help each other out. Stay safe, and don't forget to check out this video with a compilation of reasons to be happy and positive right now. Seriously, I'll see you there. Cheers.